Hi, my name is Mike and I'm the CEO of 911 Website Repair. We've repaired over 25,000 websites. We've seen it all, we've experienced it all, we've fixed it all, and we have the solutions to your website problems. One of the things that we want to make sure that people know about is making backups. Many people believe that the hosting company is responsible for the backup of their website. The hosting company is not. They do provide a service, and if you talk to most of them and you read the small print, you'll say that it's provided as a service, but there's no guarantee that it's going to work or the website backups will be viable. Most content management systems have a plugin, either Keepa or Backup Buddy, and there's several others that you can just click and it'll make a backup of your database and your files in an archive, which you can then download. You can then give that to any knowledgeable developer and they can restore your website. This will also help you in the event of your website either breaking, you can restore a previous version, you make a mistake, you can restore a previous version, or you get hacked, you have a clean version, you can at least get back to some starting point. So you want to make sure you make the backups. With any of these plugins, once they're installed, they're very easy, usually 2 to 3 clicks, 2 to 3 minutes, and you download it to your hard drive and you're good to go. And I recommend people do it at least once a week or before and after they work on their website. It is not an inconvenience compared to losing your website because it's broken or hacked. So you want to take care of those backups. My name is Mike, 911 Website Repair. Give me a call if you have any questions and don't understand backups. I'm here to help you. Thank you.